out of here. Oh. I thought they smelled bad on the outside. Cold as an idea. It's cold. Oh, it's cold. Don't try this at home.
Back of your head.
It's gone now?
It's still there. It's in spots right close to your scalp. The big. Go back. Turn your head straight. There it is. There's a big.
Don't try this at home. Now this is the best feeling. It makes you appreciate the warmth a little bit more. Feeling like you're gonna die. Okay.